Welcome to Tracy Creates Dishes. Today I'm making individual chicken pies. Grab 1 medium onion, peel, slice and dice. You'll need 3 stalks of celery, washed, sliced and diced into small cubes. 2 medium carrots, peeled, tops and tails cut off. Sliced and diced into small squares. Spray a frying pan with oil of choice. I used olive oil. Heat the pan. Add your diced onion and chicken mince. You can use chopped chicken thighs or breasts or even shredded rotisserie chicken. Cook off the chicken and onion. I like to break up my chicken mince as I cook it. Add carrots to the frying pan and stir them in. Next, place the celery in the frying pan and give it a really good stir through. For some extra flavour, I slowly add in a tin of cream of chicken soup. To get to the right consistency, you may or may not need the full 420 gram tin. Just eyeball it. Add pepper to taste and 1 tablespoon of dried mixed herbs. The full recipe is in the description box below. Once the chicken is completely cooked, turn off the heat and stir to cool. Don't forget to subscribe, like and give this video a thumbs up. Get a strip of paper and place it on the inside of your pie tin, and look in your kitchen for a cutter or a lid close to the size of the paper to cut the pastry for the bases of the pies. Measure the top of the tin for what size to cut your lids, the pies. Now it's time to oil your tins so the pastry doesn't stick to them. I miss every second pan so the pies can cook a little more evenly. With paper towel, spread the oil around the base of the pan and don't forget the top lip of the pan. Turn the oven on to 200 degrees Celsius to preheat. For the pastry base, I'm using store-bought shortcrust pastry. Cut out the size circle you need for your pies. I will need 18 bases. I'm now going to show you 2 different techniques inserting the pastry into the pan. The first method is to use a full circle pushed into the base. Second method is cut a triangle out of the circle of pastry so it looks like the shape of a Pac-Man. Overlap the triangle ends of the short crust pastry so it makes a cone shape. Insert into the pans and press the sides of the pastry. I prefer this way of placing the pastry into the pan. Fill the pastry with the chicken pie filling. Gently press the mixture in. Now for the lids, we use puff pastry. Cut out your desired amount. I'll need 18 circles of puff pastry. Place the puff pastry on top of your pies. Using a fork, press the pastries together just to seal the filling in. Score the top of the pies to release the steam and cook the base of the pies. I lightly coat the puff pastry with milk. And it's finally time to put these delicious pies into a preheated oven. When your pies are golden brown, roughly 12 to 15 minutes, remove from the oven, let cool slightly and enjoy. Thanks for watching.